Plans for the future. I have many plans and goals for my future. First, I want to finish my university with good grades. I am studying business and I want to work for a big international company. I want to learn 2 more languages, Spanish and German. I think knowing different languages is very important for my career. In 5 years, I want to move to a different country, maybe Spain or Italy. I want to experience a different culture and meet new people. I also want to buy a small house and a fast car. Another plan is to travel around the world. I want to visit Japan, Brazil and Egypt. I want to see the pyramids and Amazon rainforest. I know I need to work very hard to achieve these goals. I am ready to study and work for my dreams.